Welcome to Florent Science Moment. Let's find out what's in today's show. So, for this experiment today, a very simple experiment, but it's quite neat, and all you're going to need for it are 5 toothpicks, a plate or some other surface that is okay to make wet, and some water in some sort of pipette or something where you can dose how much you apply on the surface. So, with the 5 toothpicks, what you want to do is you want to snap them right in the middle, like this. You want to try to get them so that there's not any splinters sticking out or anything, quite neatly. And you're going to arrange them in a circle. Yeah, so arranging it so that it seems more or less symmetrical. So, now we have this water, so we're going to apply small drops of water on there in the center, right here, so that we get some, especially on the center of the V shapes, and as you can see we are observing some movement. The toothpicks, we are getting some movement between these toothpicks. We can apply a little more water to speed up the action, because as you can see we are getting a nice little star shape. So why is this happening, and how? Well, as we know, wood has a tendency to swell up when humid and shrink back down when dry. So, in this case, as we have this arrangement of toothpicks, the water is entering through these little holes where we've snapped the toothpick. The water is entering there, and so the wood is expanding, and so the V shape cannot be retained at such a small angle. And so that they widen out, and as they do, the different toothpicks come into contact with one another, so they are applying equal amounts of pressure on one another, and therefore we get this nicely, quite symmetrical, 5-pointed star. That's it for this time. See you soon for another science moment.